Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.